Dear students, today we are going to read the lesson A Team of Workers, page number 25. So before starting the video, you are requested to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further updates. So let's start the lesson. A team of workers. All body parts stand together holding hands.
In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work.
Hands, come forward and tell us what you do.
We lift, we hold, we carry, we give and we take, we pull, we push, we put 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There is nothing that we can't do.
Feet, come forward and tell us what you do. We walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip and jump and hop. We step forward, we turn about, and just in time we stop. Eyes, ears, nose, what about you?
We open, we close, we read, we blink, we sing things far and near.
And be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear.
I breathe day and night. I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about your mouth?
Oh, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink, I sip, I slurp, I chew and bite. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work.
That's right. The belly doesn't do any work.
That's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work.
Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. The only work you do is to grab all food.
You don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food?
We won't work for you. You won't get any food now.
Don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food.
Don't try to receive. Nothing you will receive.
3 hours later.
Please get some food. I am all ready to start my work.
No means no. We are all going to relax just like you.
Please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Sorry. Don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive.
2 days later.
Oh, I feel so dry. We feel so weak.
We feel so tired.
What's the matter? What's wrong with all of us?
You silly fellows, now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think.
Could it be? Is it the belly?
Is it the belly?
Yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now?
Yes. Now we know this belly does a lot of work. Though he does not show it off. He does important work. What work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work.